Hello everyone, my name is Suganya. Today let us study about an interesting topic, plants around us. We all have seen many plants in our gardens, in the parks and all around us. And we also know that plants are useful to us. Let us study about plants and its types in detail. So what are plants? The plants are living things. They breathe and grow, and they also reproduce. Most of the plants grow on land and some plants grow in water. And plants are very useful to us. As for an example, they take in carbon dioxide and give us oxygen, which is required for us to breathe. And plants to breathe, that is, they take in oxygen during the night. Now let us study about the types of plants. So the plants may be small, big, some may grow in water, some in the desert, etc. You all have studied about the plant and its types. So what are the different types of plants? They are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Where these trees, they have a woody plant with a thick and strong stem called a trunk. And they are big and strong plants. And the thick hard layer that covers its trunk is called as the bark. And they stand erect and they have a very strong stems. For example, pipal, banyan, coconut, they all are tall, big and strong plants. That we call it as trees. What are shrubs? Shrubs are smaller than trees. They have small, thin, hard, woody stems and they have many branches. So these branches grow close to the ground. For example, rose, tulsi, cotton, mehendi plants. These are the examples of shrubs. Then herbs. What are herbs? Some small plants have very soft and green stems. They can stand erect on the ground. Most herbs live only for few months. For example, grass, mint, wheat, coriander, lavender. These are the example of herbs. They have a very thin, soft and green stems. The next is climbers and creepers. What are climbers? They have a weak stem. The stem of these plants are very weak and they cannot stand. They cannot erect on their own. So they need the support of other plants or stick to stand. So mainly they support on the wall or stem to grow. For example, grapevine, pea plant and money plant. And what are creepers? So these creepers, they have a very weak stem and they grow along the ground because their fruits are very heavy and they do not need the support or they don't climb on the other plants. So these creepers are very weak stem and they cannot stand erected. Where both the climbers and creepers cannot stand by their own. That is, they cannot erect. Where the creepers grows along the ground and the climbers, they need the support of other plants or walls, etc. So examples of creepers are pumpkin and watermelon. As we studied about the different types of plants, now let us see the different places where these plants are growing. It is not that all the plants grow in the same place. That is, different kinds of plants grow in different places due to the weather conditions. So every plant needs specific weather conditions to grow. For example, rice, wheat, sugarcane, they grow in the plains. And the coconut trees, they grow in the places near to the sea. Trees such as pine, fir, willow, they grow on the mountains. And the desert plants such as cactus and date palm. So they are based upon the weather conditions, that is the climatic conditions, the amount of water it requires. So based upon that, the plants grow in the different places. As the development of science, now it is possible to grow any plant anywhere. Let us see how it is possible. You might have come across greenhouse. So what is a greenhouse? A building that is made up of glasses, which is used for growing plants that need protection from the weather. So it can protect the plants from the weather. So it is possible to grow any plants. That is, anywhere it can grow any of the plants. For example, some of the plants cannot be grown in Indian climatic conditions. So that is introduced in the market from other countries. So some of the fruits, flowers, vegetables are transported from other countries, such as kiwi, broccoli, orchid. But now, with the help of the development of science and the technology of greenhouse, we can grow all these plants in our country, where the greenhouse protects the plants from the weather. So we can grow any of the plants. Let us see some of the uses of plants. As we all know that plants give us oxygen that is required for us to breathe. And plants give us food, medicines and the clothes. That is, the cotton fibers are used for making clothes. And we also make furniture with the help of wood. So it is needed for us in many ways. So these are some of the ways how it is useful for us. So now in this chapter we have studied about plants, the types of plants and its uses. Now let us solve some of the exercises. Here are the exercises. The first one is give examples for the following. You need to give examples for shrubs, herbs and climbers. The second one is you have to define what it is. What is a creeper and what is a greenhouse. And the third one is list down few uses of plants. How plants are useful for us. Thank you.